This looks good, dude.
Thank you. It's not quite finished yet, but...
So how big is it spec-wise?
Built the box for his subs. On the way up here, blew the subs because turned the amp up too high. So I went back to the house, put my 15 in here, and only hit like 133. So
Really? I get it?
yeah.
So it's one sub.
One sub.
Really?
Blew the other two all the way up here.
But it's made for two.
Yes. You can put two or you can put one.
Is that a 6th order?
Yes. That's all I use.
So where's the other sub hole location at?
Well, see,
I had them
he had them interfaced. He had them face to face with one.
You had one sub this way and one that way.
Yeah. Then you
No
wired
way.
you wired the back sub reverse.
Yeah, and it just equalizes.
And they work with each other.
You just have the polarity reverse. Yeah. Dude, I've never seen that before. I bet you that was wicked. But
Yeah,
how did
I
you mount it? Did you come from the back to mount it in the back?
Mount the back one to the face, then mount the face to the front.
Okay.
Oh, the front one.
Wow. And this is this a 2200? Mmats?
Yes. No, I think it's 2000.
2000. Yeah. This looks good, dude.
Thank you. It's not quite finished yet, but
I
he built that. Here, I'll fucking play this.
Okay. Yeah, that looks good. What Skar level is that?
ZDX 15.
Okay. You know the tunings?
20 and 52.
20 and 52.
So because we did that, and it's going to take me a couple weeks to get my truck back on the road, I sold him the box, put his two level 3s in there. He wanted me to turn the amp up, I did, and it sounded good all the way up to today. And
then blew something.
And they just cut out.
Dang.
So I ran back to the house, put that in, and the actual box is too big for that. So I think that's why I'm not hitting the numbers up one.
Yeah, I'm gonna get in the back to look. I just wanted to see how far back it was.
Oh yeah, it's like a coffin.
Wow. So how big is it spec-wise?
15 cube, 3 cube, or 6 cube in the back, 9 in the front.
So enough for 2 of them then. You built it for 2, but only 1 in right now.
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome.
Yeah, because the specs for the GVX is 4 and 12 for 6 for 1.5.
Okay.
like Wimbledon, they serve. Them again, the sound, the engine in is like a bird. You see fireworks, they coffin tires, skirt the boulevard. How you work, I know just who you are. Use it, use it, use it.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.